Okay, we're getting somewhere. Painted on Rust-Oleum, that high rust industrial stuff. It works great. Hit it with the old cheap drill motor there as much as best we could. Of course, all this is going to be black, gloss black. The only color we're going with that'll be different is the electronic ignition distributor. I think it's red. Valve cover and breather cover, forward gold. Everything else is black. Hey, is that a rabbit over there? That's a deer. And my dear wife. Oh, you really can't see her. Sunshine. And this is a 64 Mercury Monterey. Getting ready for the 390 that's being built right now. Supposedly about 460 horsepower. This thing came originally with the 392 barrel, 250 horsepower.